So, right, we are starting F block elements. Okay. चल bye bye. Okay, so we are starting F block elements. Now, please listen. If your last electron in the element enters s orbital, ওটা কোন block element হবে? S block. If the last electron enters p orbital, it will be p block. Similarly for F block elements, the last electron should enter F block, right? Now, all of you must have checked the periodic table. How many series are there in the F block? 2. The first series is called lanthanoids and the second series is called actinoids. Shomap and Nikita, am I audible properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have lanthanoid series and actinoid series. First point, last electron of the element enters F orbital for F block elements. First series involves filling of 4f orbital, and the name of that series is lanthanoids. And second series involves this is the second series involves filling of 5f orbitals, and that is called the actinoids. Please remember, in our syllabus, actinoids will not be a part of discussion. जो भी हम discuss करेंगे, it will be under lanthanoids. Complete? Write down. General electronic configuration. General electronic configuration. N-2 F1 F orbital can hold how many electrons? How many F? 14. N-2 F1 to 14. N-1 D 0 to 1 and NS 2. This is the general electronic configuration of F block elements. Done, everyone? Shomap, Nikita hoye gelo?
Yes, ma'am.
Ye bhi gaya. All forces are telling me, please get a better place. Okay. Now, before we, before किसी भी block को study करने से पहले, we have to learn the electronic configuration, like we did for D block. First transition series, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium. All of you have seen. जैसे we did the electronic configuration, all our reasoning became so much more easier. So similarly, first of all, lanthanoid series के elements का electronic configuration लिखेंगे. Now, when I will write the electronic configuration, all of you will think, ma'am, these elements have such weird names. We will not be able to remember everybody. You will have to remember hardly 4 to 5. जो हमारे exceptions के, या I will not call them exceptions, but who will be our important elements whom we have to remember. Okay? So write down the heading. Elements of lanthanoid series. Elements of lanthanoid series. Starting with lanthanum. Starting with lanthanum. Acha, does everybody have the periodic table? Periodic table निकालो सब कोई. I want everyone to sit with the periodic table for some time at least. Ready? Now, has everyone is ready with the periodic table? Listen to my first question. Come up ready, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Lanthanum, please check in your periodic table. Lanthanum belongs to which group? 3. Lanthanum belongs to group 3. Very good. Lanthanum, in your periodic table, you will see that lanthanum लिखा हुआ है. उसके नीचे atomic number 57 से कितना लिखा हुआ है? 171, no? 57 to 71. Is it written? What is it? 57 to 70 or 71? 71 though? Yes or no? 57 to 70. 57 to 71. From lanthanum to lutetium, it is 57 to 71. Even in any NCERT periodic table, you will see. Now, if
Yes,
ma'am.
So from lanthanum to lutetium, there are how many elements? There are 14 elements. Isko include karke there are 14 elements. There are 14 elements from lanthanum to lutetium. And all of them belong to which group? All of them belong to which group? They belong to group. They all belong to group 3. देखो, यही सबसे ज्यादा important question है. Lanthan, ये जो तुम्हारा पूरा series है ना, this F block elements which has been placed below the periodic table. ऐसे तुम्हारे लिए दो अलग सा this whole block has been actually removed from the main table and has been placed at the bottom of the periodic table. This was done to maintain the symmetry of the periodic table. Actually, all these 14 lanthanoid series and all these 14 actinoid all these 14 lanthanoid series and actinoid series, they are actually under group 3. So सबका valency क्या होगा? All of them will have which valency? Very good. All of them will have a common valency of 3. Is that understood now? Let's proceed. So the first element in our lanthanoid series is lanthanum, cerium, promethium, neodymium, then this is lanthanum, cerium. Start writing. This is praseodymium, neodymium. Don't remember the names. I will tell you which one you have to remember. This is holmium. उसके बाद आएगा erbium. Then you have thulium. This is Tm, ytterbium, Yb, and last is lutetium. Lanthanum has electronic configuration. This is 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. What am I doing? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, and 71. This is electronic configuration xenon 5D1 6s2. This is also xenon 4f1 4f2 5d0 6s2. All of them is xenon. Xenon is 54, 55, 56, 57. This is 4f3 5d0 6s2. Then neodymium is 4f4 5d0 6s2. Promethium is 4f5 5d0 6s2. Samarium is 4f6 5d0 6s2. Europium is the orbital खाली क्यों है? Because इन दोनों का energies almost similar होने की वजह से it fills up F before D. This is why we have F block elements. Okay? Yes. Can you tell me Europium का क्या होगा? Electronic configuration. 4f 4f7. यहाँ पे 6 है तो naturally it will be 7, no? हाफ फील्ड यहाँ पे जाके हो गया. हाँ, 4f7 5d0 6s2. Gadolinium, try gadolinium. 4f7 5d1 6s2. Good. Next, terbium is 4f9 5d0 6s2. Dysprosium 4f10 5d0 6s2. Holmium 4f11 5d0 6s2. Erbium 4f12 5d0 6s2. Thulium 4f13 5d0 6s2. Ytterbium क्या है? 4f14 5d0 6s2. Lutetium 4f14 5d1 6s2. हो गया? হচ্ছে? সম্ভব হচ্ছে?
Yes, ma'am.
Complete? Now, once we are done with the electronic configuration, we will go to the next topic. Put the heading oxidation state. Oxidation state. Ready? Point number 1. All the lanthanoids exhibit a common oxidation state. All the lanthanoids exhibit a common oxidation state of +3. সবার +3 হবে because they are in group 3. Point number 2. Now, point number 2. cerium, right? Ce, and Tb, that is terbium. Cerium and terbium. Which oxidation state do you think they will show? Cerium and terbium. +2. Check properly, please. Shukulan, what do you think? Akansha, what do you think? +4. Himanshu thinks +4. Shati? If cerium loses 2 + 2, 4, it will go to xenon. So ये stable हो जाएगा. What about terbium? If it loses 2 here and 2 here, it will go to 4F. वो half filled है. Very good, correct. Cerium and terbium show +4 oxidation state also. So if it is Ce +4, we will go to 4. We will go to directly xenon's configuration. And if we go to Tb +4, it will go to 4F7, xenon 4F7. Yes. Is this all right? Nikita, is this okay?
मैम এটা আরেকবার এক্সপ্লেন করো না।
मैम टेरिबियम में पार्ट
হ্যাঁ
नहीं, lanthanum is a very small section. Okay, terbium কিছুই না, এখানে দুটা গেল, এখান থেকে দুটা গেল, এটা 7 হয়ে যাবে না? এখানে 9 ছিল।
ও আচ্ছা, তাহলে স্টেবল থাকবে।
হ্যাঁ, half failed. ঠিক আছে? Point number 3. Europium. Now I am in Europium, EU. Europium and gadolinium. EU and GD. EU and GD. Oh, sorry, EU, not GD. EU and ETA. Europium and ytterbium. EU and ytterbium. YB. Tell me, which oxidation state do you think they will show? Think and answer. Europium and ytterbium.
+2.
+2. Write down. Europium and ytterbium will show +2. সম্ভব ঠিক আছে?
यस मैम
কেন কি এটা যদি +2 যায় তাহলে এটা 4F7 হবে, and if this goes for +2 it will become 4F14. That is fully filled. Done. Next. Lanthanum, gadolinium, GD, and lutetium, LU. Which oxidation state do you think they will show? Gadolinium, lanthanum, and lutetium. Think. ये दोनों का +3 दिख रहा है. All of them will show +3. If from here 3 goes, it will come to xenon's configuration. That is extreme. Take. I do understand. Everyone will show +3, but lanthanum, gadolinium, and lutetium will show only +3. Cerium and ytterbium will show, apart from +3, they will show +2. Then तुमने किसी के लिए सीरियम के लिए +4 लिखा था, इसके लिए +2 लिखा था, इसके लिए +2 लिखा था, इसके लिए +4 लिखा था. So apart from +3, there is +2 and +4 oxidation state also, but these 3 elements will show only +3. ये 3 ही +3 दिखाएंगे. Is that clear? So lanthanum, gadolinium, and lutetium will show only +3 oxidation state. बाकी +3 भी दिखाते हैं, +2 और या फिर +4 भी दिखा सकते हैं. That is the reasoning. Is that all right? Complete? अमीर साथ शुरू करेंगे. हाँ, I will try to complete level best first week of April. Okay? হয়ে গেছে না? আমি মুছে দিলাম, হ্যাঁ? Everyone, you can put the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
heading. color, color. Okay. Are your this elements colored? D block elements के compounds colored हैं? Do you what is the reason behind that? What is that one word answer? DD transition.
DD transition.
DD transition. If I tell you that F block elements complexes are also colored, what will be your answer? FF transition. So what is the requirement for FF transition? Free F. That is not the answer. नहीं, half filled होना चाहिए. They should be either half filled or incompletely filled. Then only there will be space for excitation. Remember T2G and EG. এখান থেকে এখানে গেল. This was the ground state, and then it went to excited state. So just because it was empty, this electron could jump here. If it is completely filled, will there be any color in this particular complex? No. Same rule applies for F block elements. If all the electrons are completely filled, we cannot expect any excitation, and if there is no excitation, there will be no color. Is that okay? Heading likho color, uske baad likho. The lanthanoids are silvery white. The lanthanoids are silvery white. But many of the trivalent ions are colored in solid state, as well as in solution. Are colored in solid state as well as in solution. Full stop. Okay. Now, obviously, this color is. Look up, everyone. Answer to my question. You see the color of white light, which is absorbed or which is transmitted. Please remember, huh? Transmitted color का ही हम लोग color देखते हैं, absorb का नहीं देखते हैं. So if it absorbs blue, कौन सा color दिखेगा? It will be blue का complementary green था. Blue is orange. So if it absorbs in the lower wavelength region, you will see color in the larger wavelength region. वही same logic है यहाँ पे भी. So I'll give you a few electronic configurations. You will tell me whether they are colored or not. So, oh, where were we? As well as in solution. Full stop. Continue the statement. The color of the complexes is due to FF transitions. The color of the complexes is due to FF transitions. Complexes or compounds, whatever you want to write, is due to FF transitions. Where the transmitted light gives the color of the complex. Where the transmitted light gives the color of the complex. बोलो, out of this 4 किसके पास कलर होगा, किसके पास कलर नहीं होगा? La3 lanthanum 3+, which is the trivalent, इसके पास कलर नहीं होगा. So this will be completely colorless because there is no F electrons. Yes or no? Nikita, Shomop, is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure lutetium में color? ये तो completely filled. This is 4F14. Sathi, is this okay? It is 3+ only. Lutetium will go to 4F14, which is completely filled. So this is also colorless. TM is nothing but thulium. This is showing green in color. Can you tell me which light it has absorbed? VIBGYOR. It has absorbed red. Samarium is showing yellow color. तो इसने क्या absorb किया है? Violet, blue violet, no? Blue violet लिखो ना, क्या problem है? Blue violet, हाँ. Place safe with colors. Is this okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there I'm done with colors. Next, we will do the last section, that is chemical reactivity. Very small section. Then we will start with amines. कल के amine से preparation करते होंगे, reactivity करते होंगे. No, amines is nice, easy chapter. Which? मुझे दिलाम है. Put the heading. Chemical reactivity. Chemical reactivity. Write down. Lanthanoids. Oh, हाँ, lanthanoids लिखो. Lanthanoids. अच्छा, lanthanoids का symbol is Ln. It is given by the symbol Ln. Okay. Lanthanoids burn in air. Lanthanoids burn in air to form oxides. अच्छा, ऑक्साइड का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? अगर कोई भी लैंथेनॉइड है और उसको ऑक्सीजन के साथ कंबाइन करना है, तो इसका फॉर्मूला क्या लिखने का? Ln2O. ऑक्सीजन का वैलेंसी 2 है, लैंथेनॉइड वेरी गुड, Ln2O3. এটাই হবে তো? দেখো, they will form oxides of the formula Ln2O3. Comma, except cerium. अच्छा, सीरियम का ऑक्साइड का फॉर्मूला क्या निकलेगा? चेक करो. CEO, except cerium will give you CEO2. And ये लिखो, ytterbium, YB, does not form any oxides. Ytterbium does not form any oxides due to the formation of a protective coating. Due to the formation of a protective coating of oxides on its surface. इसका मतलब इसका reactivity कम है. ठीक है? This is more than enough. I'm telling you, just yesterday I got stuck in one question. I went back home and I was searching. Okay, kal nahi, Wednesday I did the class. They asked me one question and I got stuck in that question. मैं घर गई. I was searching, and that question happened to be a entrance question. So that is what I was going to discuss today, and I will discuss tomorrow also. And that is from lanthanoids. ठीक है? And that वो question I was like, oh my god. तुम नीट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर सकता है. वो एडवांस तो हो जाएगा. मीन्स कर लो. इजीली हो जाएगा.
मैम
बोलो.
मैम সি এর যেমন CO2 হয়ে গেল, তো সেরকম টিবির হবে না, কারণ টিবির তো +4 অক্সিডেশন স্টেট।
টিবি হ্যাঁ হবে, কেন হবে না? ডেফিনেটলি হবে।
আসলাম না।
Now, what exception? They form oxides of the formula Ln2O3, right? Terbium will show two types of oxides. যেটা +3 ও হতে পারে, Tb2O3 ও হতে পারে, আর TbO2 ও হতে পারে। ব্যাপারটা বুঝলি? Between these two oxides, obviously this one will be more stable. কেন কি এখানে তোর oxidation state +4 আছে, and we know that terbium is more stable in +4 oxidation state.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not that it will not form this, it will form this also, but this will be the more stable oxide. Okay. Next point, quick. Write down. They combine with hydrogen. Lanthanoids combine with hydrogen to form hydrides. What will be the formula of hydrides? Jaldi bolo. Ln. Very good. They form hydrides of the formula LnH3. Next point. They combine with halogen. To form LnX. Formula ki hobe? LnX. Next point. They combine with sulfur. To form sulfides. Formula bolo. Ln2S3. Sulfur is 2. Ln2S3. Continue. They react with water. They meaning lanthanoids react with water, liberating hydrogen. They react with water, liberating hydrogen, and forms hydroxides. तो hydroxide का formula क्या होगा? Ln. Good. LnOH3. Next point. They combine with nitrogen. Formula क्या निकलेगा? Ln. Very good. They combine with nitrogen to give this. Next point. They react with acids, dilute acids. And liberate hydrogen gas. They react with dilute acids and liberate hydrogen gas. Okay. Last point. This is the point which I checked is a entrance level question. They form carbides of the formula Ln3C, Ln2C3, and Ln C2. The question which was asked, okay, is the carbides, which among the following carbides is not formed by lanthanoids? Options दिया हुआ था LnC, Ln3C, Ln2C3, and Ln C2. What is your answer? LnC. समझ में आया? So you see how deeply you were supposed to study. Okay, how deeply you're supposed to study. So trust me, I saw this question, I was checking yesterday, and I'm like, wow, तो ये डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. So this was the question which was asked. Okay, so this is the oxide which is not formed. Apart from them, these are the carbides which is not formed. Apart from them, these are formed. Okay, so that brings us to the end of lanthanoids. But before I end this chapter, please check everyone. I will ask you one last question, which is the most important question in this chapter. B block में कितने series है? 4. First transition series, second, third, fourth. Very good. तो हमारे पास 4 series है. First से second transition series, when we go, what happens to size? Increases. Second and third transition series,
Same
almost
size.
same. What is the reason? That is due to lanthanoid contraction, which occurs due to filling of F orbitals, which have poor shielding effect. Did I give you the note of lanthanoid contraction?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
check. You study anything or you don't study anything for your this one board examination? Lanthanoid contraction, please पढ़ के जाओ. ठीक है? You will study lanthanoid contraction and you will go. Is that all right? So that was my discussion about F block elements, and I have covered more than enough because majority questions are asked from D block only. हाँ, ये सारा वो छोटा questions, हाँ, सीरियम ये सब का questions ही ज्यादा important. Thank God it's over. Bhagwan, that chapter. Honestly speaking, उसका कोई explanation नहीं है. Wow, I have come to the last chapter of your term 2 and your class 12. Everybody write the name of the chapter. Organic compounds containing nitrogen. It gives me so much pleasure to start the last unit. Organic compounds containing nitrogen, that is amines. Let's start, okay? Very nice, very interesting chapter, and most importantly, it is very scoring. Okay. सबसे पहले amines. First line लिखो, amines are derivatives of ammonia. Amines are derivatives of ammonia. In which the hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. In which the hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. Ready? शुरू करते हैं. Look at the board, please, first. So we have ammonia. I'm removing one hydrogen. I'm adding one alkyl group. This R can be any CH3 or C2H5. Yes or no? So my formula will be R NH2. So ये एक amine बन गया. What is the degree of this amine?
First degree.
First degree. So this is a primary amine. I'm removing another hydrogen. एक और R add कर देते हैं, तो ये बन जाएगा R N R H. कितना डिग्री? 2 डिग्री. एक और H निकाल देते हैं, एक और R ऐड कर देते हैं, तो ये बन जाएगा R 3N लिख सकते हैं. कितना डिग्री? 3 डिग्री. We can go beyond this also. We can go to quaternary also, but that quaternary section, no, I will discuss at the end. Okay? क्योंकि नाइट्रोजन के पास एक लोन पेयर है. ये लोन पेयर अगर उसने किसी को डोनेट कर दिया तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बन जाएगा और एक क्वाटर्नरी अमीन बन जाएगा. That is how we will go to the last section, and that I will discuss last. Okay. So first discussion till tertiary amines. All right. First, we'll start with our aliphatic amines. Okay. Now, in aliphatic amines, the nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature, goes as alkan amine, and in common system it goes as alkyl amine. Ready, Nikita, Shoma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shoma? So CH3NH2, give me both IUPAC and common.
Methanamine, methylamine.
methanamine and methylamine. लिखो, ये बन जाएगा हमारा methanamine, AMINE, which is also methylamine. Good. Second, CH3, CH2, NH2. This is ethanamine, which is also ethylamine. इन लोगों का क्या भूत सवार आता है भगवान जाने. अभी ये बता. Propan 2 amine. Propan 2 amine. Is this all right? Yeah, isopropyl जाएगा. Isopropyl amine. This will become isopropyl amine in the common system. So introductory nomenclature for aliphatic amines, I will want to stop here, because when I go to the secondary and tertiary, it becomes a little different. For that, I will make a table later. Is this okay? Nikita, hoega chahe?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For the next heading, aromatic amines. Aromatic. Aromatic amines.
अरे मैम हम तो आपका आइडेंटिटी कर पाए उनके लिए जो मेरा भरा बजट है प्रैक्टिकल एडिशन तो कर दिया और वो
सॉल्ट
तो वो ऑर्गेनिक सैंपल कर दिया सॉल्ट एनालिसिस बर्बाद है एक बारी
तू छिले ना छेदन कशा होते थे तो आशीष ने प्रैक्टिस ओ हां
पोस्टिंग को बोला था कि क्या पढ़ाया मैं भेजे ना भेजा ही नहीं
वो खुद कुछ नहीं लिखा
वो तो मैंने गलत है
हां he was like photographic memory. बट वो तो बोला वो सब छाप दिया.
उसका एक दिमाग में हमारे ग्रुप 0
You got group 0? ठीक है की पेज अमोनियम ठीक सुधा आई What is this? बेंजाइलअमीन है. इसका IUPAC होगा बेंजन, BENZENE था, बेंजीन था. You have to drop the E to add amine. Benzanamine, which is the IUPAC name. This is also known as benzene ring with NH2 is also known as ठीक है बोल
Aniline.
Yes, aniline. Aniline is also accepted in IUPAC.
Actually,
ये
Benzene.
IUPAC accepted.
Actually, common name.
Which one?
Benzene.
Actually common name है.
Because site.
Cyclotetraene है. Complete. Okay. Now that you are familiar with aromatic amines and aliphatic amines, I will start the nomenclature of secondary amines. Okay. And for secondary amines, we will do only the IUPAC name. So first I will start with this one. This is 2 degree. Number 6, I will write here. No, wait. Ready? শুরু করে দেখতে পাচ্ছিস না এখানে একটা দুটো তিনটে চারটা কার্বন
ये देखो मैम जो मेरा रेडी का मजा हुआ ये सर्टिफिकेट लेके आप फर्स्ट पोजीशन आए थे
कौन दिया শুনতে পাচ্ছিস
Yes, ma'am.
শুনতে পাচ্ছিস হ্যাঁ good let's start please put that down देखो I'll show you the first one and it is very simple and very easy if I would have given you CH3NH2 तो इसका IUPAC नाम तुम क्या लिखते methanamine. Now what you have done is you have removed one of the hydrogen and added what group is this methyl, right? So this is same इसका नाम होगा N methyl methanamine. Instead of 1 we will simply write N because we are doing the substitution in nitrogen. It's easy. N methyl methanamine. Capital letter N. तुम ठीक से लिखा करो ना. Okay, ready for the second one. Which two groups? Methyl and ethyl. Who will be the parent? Small chain or big chain? Big chain. Give me the name. Give me the name. And methyl ethanamine. लिखो. निकिता ठीक আছে?
है मैम।
हाँ, एन मिथाइल इथानमीन। ओके, सो दिस वाज 2 डिग्री, ये भी 2 डिग्री था, अभी हम लोग 3 डिग्री में पहुंच गए हैं। तो ये क्या होगा? P. How many? All are methyl. So anyone has to be parent, right? So this will be N, comma N, N, comma N, dimethyl methylamine. हो गया? पहले से ही माथा खराब करता है। डाइमिथाइल मिथानामीन, मिथान अमीन। সম্ভব ঠিক আছে?
Yes, ma'am.
N, N hyphen dimethyl methanamine, তারপরটা বলো। লিখো N, N dimethyl ethanamine, কেন কি this is the parent chain, this is the longer chain. N, N dimethyl ethanamine. Guess करो। Little bit correction is required. Think about alphabetical rule. N-ethyl, N-methyl ethanamine. Write down. E will come first and then M will come. So this is N-ethyl, N-methyl ethanamine. बोलो। ब्यूटानामीन, थोड़ा करेक्शन चाहिए। 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, कितना? ब्यूटान वानामीन। ब्यूटान ये पूरा चेन है, इसके फर्स्ट में अमीन है, राइट? सो दिस इज N, N डाइइथाइल ब्यूटान वानामीन। সবার জন্য ঠিক আছে? Is
Yes,
that
ma'am.
all right? Okay, no? So this will continue throughout the chapter, because you know whenever we do reactions I ask you to give me the name. So this is how secondary and tertiary का naming जाएगा. We will do little bit of nomenclature for aromatic also. Same pattern ही है। हाँ, अरे वो तो एक डिग्री ही था। Try this. अच्छा, बाय द वे इसका IUPAC क्या था? बेंजीन अमीन, बेंजीन अमीन। ये बोलो तो। N मिथाइल बेंजीन अमीन, लिखो N मिथाइल BNZENAMINE. Instead of benzanamine, what can I replace? Aniline. I can also write N-methyl aniline. Yes or no? তারপরে এটা করো। তারপরে এটা হ্যাঁ, অ্যানিলিন। सेकंड वाला राइट डाउन N, N dimethyl benzanamine, benzenamine. Yes or no? ঠিক আছে না? তারপরটা লিখো N-ethyl benzenamine. Do I have to write down? No, no. সমাপ ঠিক আছে না নিকিতা?
Yes, ma'am.
নিকিতা
Yes, ma'am.
So this is N-ethyl, N-methyl benzanamine. Last one. What is अजीब about this? ये क्या था? ये क्या ग्रुप है? कौन से पोजीशन में है? Write down 2-methyl aniline or 2-methyl benzenamine. 2-methyl aniline, or I will write 2-methyl aniline. That's shorter. 2-methyl aniline. ठीक है? So this was the introduction. I finished with the nomenclature part. Next class, I can start with preparation and properties. Okay. So let's conclude today. All right, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.